Hello, folks. We're back, and today is Trivia Day here at Showbiz Pizza Place, and we're asking all kind of trivia questions. The next question we like to pose here is by my pet spider, Antioch. Antioch was named after the first Showbiz in Kansas City. Come on down here and say hello to the folks, Antioch. Bring them tennis shoes down here. All right, go ahead and give us your question there. What you got?
That's a tough one.
That's a good one. What y'all think about that? I tell you what, usually we'll wait till a little later before we like the next show or something before we answer that question, but that's such an exciting question. Go ahead and tell us the answer to it right now, Antioch. What's the answer to that question? Oh, golly, I thought I knew that. I should have known that one. I tell you what, Antioch, since you did such a good job, why don't you go ahead and introduce the next song here we're going to do by B.J. Thomas. Go ahead.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
These are the slowest curtains. Hey, look, I don't want to, cause any trouble or anything, but I really would like to, I beg to differ with Antioch on the answer to that last question. I'd say that B.J. Thomas's first song was Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. Now, do y'all remember that now?
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
Yeah, hey, birds ain't so stupid. Yeah. Okay, so, you'll have to give your spider something easier to do. Like, underwater basket weaving or something.
He said you're right here.
Hopefully he'll drown.
He just admitted that you were right there, Looney Bird. Sorry. He says he's sorry.
He said he was sorry?
But you're still a child ahead.
I just don't know what to say.
Let's play the song. I'll be in New York City, where the light shines bright tonight. That's where my woman waits for me, arms that hold me tenderly, lips as sweet as honeycomb, lovely waits for me at home. Deep in the eyes of a New York woman, the eyes of a New York woman are eyes that can hold a man. She swept me off of my feet, made my world seem so complete. I'll never have to look for more. I found what I've been looking for. Deep in the eyes of a New York woman. Deep in the eyes of a New York woman.
Can you hear that lonesome whippoorwill who songs too blue to fly? That means he's lost the will to live, and I'm so lonesome I could cry. Just don't realize what you do to me when you hold me in your arms so tight. You let me know everything's alright. I'm gonna feel it. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, your taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. I got it bad for you, girl, but I don't need a cure. Just stay addicted and hope I can that good love when we're all alone. You keep it up, girl, yeah, you turn me on.
I'm reading in the paper nearly every day, people breaking up and just walking away from love, and that's wrong. That's so wrong. A happy little home comes up for sale because two fools have tried and failed to get along. Now you know that's wrong. A man needs a woman and a woman needs a man, and neither one of them alone can make it stand. So take it with a grain of salt. And oh, I believe that a little bit of love is better than no love. Even a bad love is better than no love. And even a sad love is better than no love at all. Yes, I believe that a little bit of love is better than no love. Even a bad love is better than no love. And any kind of love is better than no love at all. Sing it, everybody. A little bit of love is better than no love. Even a bad love is better than no love. And even a sad love is better than no love at all. Sing it, everybody. A little bit of love is better than no love. Even a sad love is better than no love. And any kind of love is better than no love at all. Sing it. La 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 la. Medley? Yeah. Why don't you go out for a sandwich? Anybody give Looney Bird a nice home?